Takiab. My name's Jed and I retired here to the beautiful kingdom of Thailand 5 years ago. Come and join me as I take you on a journey to discover the best that the land of smiles has to offer. Whether you're an expat, thinking of opening a business or working here in Thailand, or if you're a digital nomad looking to work in a more economical country than your own country, or if you're a holiday maker and you're wanting to know the best places to visit in this beautiful, diverse country. Or maybe you're like me, a retiree looking for a better and cheaper place to spend your retirement during your golden years. Well, if that's the case, you've come to the right channel. In the sunlight, I hear your voice everywhere. Okay, I'm at Tamarind Market. Let's give you a little walk around here. We've got some nice little bars. We've got jugs of beer or draft beer or bottled beers. This market is a little bit more upmarket than Bangkok Po. Everything's more expensive here, but you pay for what you get. Very beautiful. Bangkok Po is a little bit more down market. Food's more expensive here and drink's more expensive. I just bought a small chang and it cost me 55 baht, and I get a large chang 750ml, twice the size, for 62 baht. But as I say, you pay for what you get. That's what you got. We've got lots of different things here. Shellfish. You've got your shakes, lemon tea, hot tad mai pon, dried mussel pancake. Very nice. And look at these, look at the size of these prawns here. Oh wow. You get all them for 250 baht. All them for 250 baht, that's $10, something like that. Well, if we were back in Australia, I'd have to get a second mortgage on my house to get prawns like that. And then you've got pork ribs, honey roasted pork in a jar, very beautiful. Have a look in here. Oh, very nice. Takiab. We got squid, yeah? Barbecue squid. So this area is just about halfway in between Khao Takiab and Hua Hin downtown. About a 10-minute drive from the centre of Hua Hin. Oh, look at this barbecue squid, 100 baht for a whole squid, 60 baht for a smaller squid. But the food is a lot more upmarket here. Bangkok Po is more your quick foods and your pizzas and stuff like that. This is more your upmarket. You can see by looking at the prawns. 200 baht for prawns there, 250, 300. Very, very big prawns. We've got a small market for clothes, but it's mainly food. Just over there is Cicada Market, which is right next door to here. That's more your clothes, but they have food as well. I wish you could smell the food, but it smells delicious. I came here, I wasn't that hungry, but I'm starting to get hungry now. Moo there, pork, chicken wing. But having said that, it's a bit more expensive. It's still a lot cheaper than what you're going to pay in Western countries. It's probably still going to be half the price, whereas maybe Bangkok is quarter of the price. There's nice roast pork there. Well, I might come back and get some of that. That looks lovely. Nice crispy crackling. They have live music on here. It's more laid back here. I prefer the music in Bangkok. I like the rock music better than the ballads that they sing here. Only open Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays. This market's more of a, how can I put it, more an arty, crafty type market as well as food. There's a lot of stalls selling paintings and arts and crafts. Oh, it used to. I'm saying that now. I'm going to have a look now and see what it does have, but pre-COVID it was a very arty type market. Very upmarket as well. It's more expensive here than Tamarind, and definitely more expensive than Bangkok. We'll go through to the art market first. I think we'll go and have a look, then I'll come back and show you the food. You buy coupons here for your food. If you want to buy food, you need to buy a coupon, and you can get a refund if there's any credit if you don't spend all of it. Some very beautiful things. That's all glass, and as I say, look at these beautiful paintings, or works of art, not paintings so much. All Buddha. Very nice, no price on them. I'd be scared to ask. I think they'd be very expensive. These are more your average paintings, your normal paintings and prints. And here's some, well, these will be famous Thai people. I don't know who they are, but they must be quite famous here in Thailand if they've made the caricature. And there's Western ones, Charlie Chaplin and what have you. Mr. Bean. Some beautiful art. But as you can see, it's very quiet. It's nothing like Bangkok or even Tamarind. We were at Tamarind a few days ago, and it's a lot busier than here. Two years ago, pre-COVID, you'd be fighting your way to get through the crowds. There'd be people walking all the way along here, and you'd be shoulder to shoulder, but those days are gone for now anyway. They're selling books. Live music there, but this is the same as Tamarind. It's more your laid-back type music, not your rock music. But nice if you start having dinner. Nice to listen to this. But as you can see, it's mainly Thai people. Not a lot of Farang. Not a lot of tourists. It's a bit way out of town, I think, for a lot of people. They don't want to come out of town. If they're in Hua Hin, they stay close to the hotels. A lot of people. And then down this end you get your clothes and I suppose jewellery and things like that. What's that over there? That's pineapple, fresh pineapple, diced pineapple, dried pineapple, pineapple jam. This must be your pineapple store, isn't it? Yes, I am pineapple. Okay, everything about pineapple. And this looks like a larger man's clothes shop. Cameras. Oh, antique cameras by the look of it. Disappointing, there's not many people here. But I mean, if you come somewhere like this and you know you look at the clothes, I mean there's not even a price on them, so you've got to ask how much they are. Normally, I mean, you can go somewhere like a market closer to town or shops closer to town and they'll be a lot cheaper than here. It is quite expensive. Tamarind and Cicada Markets are both quite expensive. There's some jewellery, shoes, hair attachments, model cars. Yeah, they've got a good selection, but must be disheartening to come and set all this up every Friday, Saturday and Sunday and not have too many sales. T-shirts for Hua Hin. Yeah, just about everything you need, but as I say, everything's a little bit pricey. You're going to pay more here than what you would in town and in the cheaper markets. And just through here, just this across the road here, this is where Tamarind is, only 10 seconds across the road there. Okay, we'll go and have a look at the food shops, see what they've got to offer. Before there used to be shows over here. They used to have like a little auditorium or whatever you call it, and there'd be live shown. I don't know if there's one tonight. There's someone in the box there to operate the lights, so possibly later on tonight. So this is the food stalls here. Yeah, coconut and watermelon. It's all obviously a little drink section. What's this here? Fresh fruit with sweet milk. All little fresh fruit. Stalls. There's a barbecue squid. More barbecue food down this way. Barbecue moo, barbecue pork. Now you got chicken barbecue $1.95, pork barbecue $1.95, pork ribs for $250. Captain Cab.
It's chicken.
Okay, thank you. I tried.
Pork and ribs.
Hmm?
Pork and ribs.
Okay, that's very nice, tender. Mmm, very good. Recommend here, Korean barbecue. That's what you get for 195 baht, about $8. Noodle, 125 baht. Spicy seafood, 145. So all very reasonable. Ready, Cab? Thanks, buddy, mate. Ready, Cab? Right. What do we got here? 6 pork chicken with topping. Very nice. Cooked to order here. So as I say, very much upmarket. Very nice prawns there, very fresh. And here, it's like pancake or something. And these are the vouchers you get. You get vouchers to pay for the food. Pad Thai, 85, that's quite cheap for Pad Thai. Takiab. Maybe making omelette. Or pancake, sorry. Takiab, how are you? Con Spadi Mai? Takiab. And barbecue pork, 45 for one kebab, 45. It's not too bad actually, it's quite cheap. And looks very nice. Yeah, looks very good. Look at that. 45 baht for one of them, that's $2. Very good. We got here tom yum. It's a very popular Thai dish, tom yum. It's a soup, spicy soup, and this one's got ground pork for 85 baht. Pork soup served with rice vermicelli for 85 baht. So what's that? 85 baht, around about $3 Australian. And then they've got, oh, that's the same. Very nice. Deep fried chicken with pandanus leaves, 75 baht. Actually, I think it's a little bit cheaper here at Cicada than Tamarind. You can get food here for about 75 baht, which is pretty good. And I think we're going to get some rain. This wind has picked up something now and leaves blowing around. I think we're going to get some rain. So that's it from me from Cicada Market. And thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't already done so, please push the subscribe button. If you're thinking of retiring or living in Thailand, please take a look at my book, The Retiring Thailand Handbook, the first 6 months. You can find it on Amazon. It's crammed full of information to help you tiptoe over the logistics of making Thailand your home in retirement. Thanks a lot for watching my channel. So until next time, stay safe, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now.